The machines in intermediate drawing lines are wire payoff, feeds the wire into the machine. Drawing blocks, capstans, pull the wire through the dies. Drawing dies, made of tungsten carbide or diamond, these reduce wire diameter. Cooling and lubrication system prevents overheating and reduces friction. Take-up system rewinds the drawn wire onto spools or coils. By dimensions, for instance, if you're producing electrical cables and you start with a 9.5 millimeter copper rod, your production process may look like this. Rod breakdown line, 9.5 millimeters, 2.6 millimeters. Intermediate drawing line, 2.6 millimeters, 1.2 millimeters. Fine wire drawing line, 1.2 millimeters, 0.5 millimeters. Final size for cable production,